Hey friends, welcome back to my channel. My name is Naisa. I'm sharpening this pencil because today I'm going to make a butterfly out of these pencil shavings. The things we require are square paper. By using a pencil and a sharpener, I have all the pencil shavings, a bottle of glue, a permanent marker, and a pair of scissors. Now let's start making the butterfly. The butterfly is ready. Now let's color the body. Now I'm going to apply some glue and stick the pencil shavings. I've done the bottom wings and now I'm going to do the upper wings. Now my butterfly is almost ready. Now let's border the butterfly. Now my butterfly is ready. Isn't it looking beautiful? I hope you enjoyed this video. Please don't forget to subscribe and hit the like button. See you soon.